Hey! You ass. You're out of me.
What are you doing? We're back at it again on the 84 Project. C10 behind us. Y'all still haven't came up with a name for this truck because we haven't released that video. So, so we have no idea what the name of that truck is. Still.
Tasty?
I have no idea. But yesterday we left off by painting all the trim. Russell got the, what all did you do?
I did door panels.
Door panels. Yeah,
they look good.
Yeah, the door panels look good. Y'all see that here in a second.
What about Brad Pasty? Instead of Brad Paisley, we can call it Brad Pasty? No?
It confuses me so much. I have to think. I'm like, what is he talking about? And
Brad
then I'm like,
Pasty.
Who's Brad Pasty? And then you Brad Paisley. That's, I guess, the country singer.
Yeah.
Yeehaw!
He can play the guitar.
Guitar. So we're gonna get back at it today. We're gonna put the yeah, we're cutting this.
We got new seat belts, but we need these covers. And there's no way to get them on that I know of.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make them have a slit in the back and rivet together right there or something.
Cool.
But we're gonna repaint these.
Come look at all the stuff that I painted now.
Yeah, you're a painter.
I am. Look, dude. Look at these crispy edges.
Crispy
Lines. Ooh, look at that. I've got to take all this tape off. It's gonna be satisfying to see that. Painted the inside of these door handles. Also painted the visor holders, whatever those are. And these pieces that I stole out of old brown. They were brown or like a reddish brown color. Now they're the blue color that matches the interior. Y'all come look at this. I don't think we showed y'all this because we stayed up here a little late. Yeah, we got the carpet in here. Just kind of threw it in here to see what it looked like. And then the seats in here. So that'll be our next project. This is what Russell did yesterday. He did all the door panels, got these installed, got these trimmed, cut the holes for the roller. Anyways, so now he's back at it, destructing stuff, tearing stuff up.
Don't cut towards you.
Ooh, that would suck. All right, man. Well, I'm gonna get back at painting all this stuff.
Paint it.
That's what I'm gonna do. Right, it's time to remove the tape and see if I got my lines right. Let's see. Grab a knife.
Oh, it looks so crispy.
Oh, that looks like crap right there.
It's because you dried.
Dang. I'm gonna have to do something about that.
Touch up.
God, dog, what happened? I wonder if I can, dang. That freaking sucks.
What are you doing?
I was seeing if pulling it faster would help. Man, that sucks.
What happened?
It didn't come out as nice as this. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is a failure.
Look at Chase. What you looking up, buddy? What's that on that computer screen right there? LMC? We're gonna order this part.
I'm not taping that again.
I'll tape it.
No, I don't want to have to sand it into the black. Needs to be black.
Chase is upset.
All right, little setback on the door trim that took me hours to tape off. I think what happened is I let this dry overnight and didn't pull the tape off because on this one right here, I pulled the tape off before I didn't let the tape sit overnight. And so now I've got to sand all this and retape it and repaint it and all that fun stuff.
What you doing, Chashua?
I am still sanding. But I don't think it looks half bad.
Looks better.
Yeah.
Looks
And then
better.
I'll use some trim restorer on the black part, and I think that'll really make it pop. So
All right.
just
Glad
taking
you're
on,
enjoying yourself.
I'm having a blast.
I mean, you look like
Yeah.
you're doing what's making you happy.
This really makes me happy, taking this sandpaper right here and just, you know, this tedious work. It's always a joy, you know.
I'm gonna get back on what I was doing. Check it out. I got the speaker enclosures for the 6x9s put in the corners on both sides. And now, let me get my big butt up. Now I'm gonna get this carpet fitting nicely and go ahead and cut the holes for my seat belt bolts. And then that'll be time for the final installation of the carpet. So keep up.
All right, I've been sanding all morning.
All morning.
While Russell's been installing all the interior, I've been fixing these trim pieces and they look a lot better. Just not gonna be painted on that front edge. I just took that off with some light sandpaper. But if you can see, these two trim pieces go on the door and they're a little faded compared to the dash piece. Let's see this dash piece. It's a lot more shiny, looks a lot better. See, this is real dull. So I'm gonna try a product that I bought for a while back when we were auto detailing, this Creocoat. What is this called? Creocoat?
Cerakote?
Cerakote? Yeah, I can't read. We'll figure that out. Cerakote trim coat, but it's just a trim restore. It's supposedly guaranteed for 200 washes, wipes on, before and after. Looks good. I watched some reviews on this stuff and bought this. I was gonna do my boat trailer with it because it always fades to like a gray, like the trailer's bed line. Just wanting to restore that. We're gonna use it on this project. We're about to find out if this affects the paint.
Are you planning on putting it on this one too?
I wanna see, I'm gonna do these two first,
okay,
and see how it compares to what this looks like.
Okay.
And then I should have.
That's your best looking piece.
Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna wait till I do these and see how it matches. Oh, it's just a little pad. I'm gonna stick that there. And it says just wipe it on.
Wipe it
Ooh,
down.
it's really wet.
Insulation pads,
They
sound deadeners.
are somewhere.
Oh, that's a good answer.
I bet you I know where it's at.
Chase hid the cue pads.
They're in there. They're in there. Wait.
Where are they?
I cleaned the shop up.
Like my wife cleans the house and forgets that she put my away every day.
All right, let's find them.
Okay, so check it out. I got the speaker box in here. If you look right down here, I'm disappointed with the carpet fit. There is a pretty good gap right here. But fortunately, I've got a lot of slack here at the back of the cab. So if I have to, I'm gonna cut a strip of this off and make me a piece to fill that. We shall see. It looks nice other than that. Everything fits real good. I'm just getting we've got some Memphis True Matte. Just getting some pieces of that where we need it, just to deaden the sound a little bit, but it's coming together. Just keep watching. Hopefully by the end of the day, it'll all be in one piece.
So last night, I missed a couple spots. You can see right there and right there. This is where it was flipped over because you're gonna see a couple of these little spots. Anyways, I'm just gonna touch it up. That's probably gonna look better now that I brought it into the light. But yeah, now it's all touched up. Don't see any of that old brownish red looking color.
Hey! You ass. You're out of me.
What are you doing?
Sound deadening stuff in the cracks and crevices.
The crack holes?
Crack holes. I gotta make this piece on this other side, but I'm gonna save that till the end.
What piece you gotta make? Oh, yeah. The thing to hold the trim.
Yeah, that side's done other than the kick panel. And I guess I'm going to move on to the seat now.
What you doing, Russell?
Reading instructions on these Chinese seat belts.
Those are definitely from LMC.
I wonder where
They just look like universal seat belts, you know?
Yeah.
They're not like specific for, I bet all seat belts are made in China. What do y'all think?
China.
Does it say it?
No, do not remove.
Made in the USA!
Probably gonna say Hecho en Mexico. Made in the USA. Hot diggity damn.
Boy!
That tag was made in the USA.
Well, anyways, we're about to do podcast numero uno.
Numero uno.
Numero uno. We're gonna try this out. We've got it all set up. Scott Pfeiffer from Pfeiffer Logic's about to be here.
Pfeiffer Logic.
And then we're gonna go do that for a couple hours or whatever it takes, and we'll be back on this C10 again. See you in a little while.
There's Scott. What you doing, Chase?
I'm
Oh, and we need to clean up that one side of the
right
dash.
here. I need to hit it with a.
Because if we look right here, we got a high pushing up on our dash cover.
So you just take this off, just cut it?
Yeah, or take the little roll off and just grind it. Grind it down until you're happy. Same with these high cracks here.
Yeah, what I did is I was like...
Whatever makes you happy, buddy. I'm just giving you my suggestions.
Yeah, a sander would work. What bit? This? Not this.
Not that.
This.
That.
Or is it? That's a
What's
little
that
rough. That's a little rough.
Is it?
Don't you think? It'll probably work very good.
And I am fixing to get this seat cover off, get this seat took apart, and we got new covers. See that? You can see that one over there. Kick panel, door panels, lower door panels, carpet, speaker boxes. I'm not real happy with these seat belts, but it's what we get. It's what we got. It's what they offer. Much new as possible. We'll keep moving forward, so y'all keep hanging out.
All right, moment of truth. See if this works.
I think you're doing a marvelous job. Marvelous. Doesn't that look nicer?
Oh, go. Yeah, it feels flattered.
Yeah, buddy. Isn't that faster than that pocket knife?
I know. I don't know why you were telling me to use the pocket knife. I was trying to
Say
tell
that
you.
again.
I don't know why you were telling me to use the pocket knife. This is obviously much faster.
Say that again. So we got the back off the seat. Now we're gonna get the bottom cover taken apart. I'm gonna show you what the underside looks like and show you what I'm actually cutting here. There's the back of the seat. Got the cover off of it already. That's it. Here's the underside of what you actually sit on. And if you look right there and all the way down, all the way around, they call these hog rings. And that's how they clamp the upholstery on. Don't cut this. Don't cut this wire. That connects your two seat tracks together so your seat adjustment works. But we're gonna cut all these hog rings off, and that'll let us get this cover off this seat.
Following Russell, and he has no microphone. What are you out here doing? Stealing some foam?
The seat for our C10 has got some broken foam on the side, so I'm going to steal some from this donor truck.
I'm just gonna cut a little chunk out so I can glue in a new piece on the side of that foam on that seat in there. Making things happen.
All right, let's do it. Hey, don't, what? It's a perfectly good seat, Russell.
It was.
Not really, it's pretty dirty. Oh, Scott, I might need your muscles. Ugh. I'm getting it a little bit at a time. Angled weird. Oh, you got a hammer? You got a sledgehammer? Anybody ever? Oh, that's it right there. It took me 30 minutes, Russell, but I got it.
I have faith in you.
It was hard.
I have faith in you, bro.
I'm about to have an asthma attack.
Are you?
Hear me wheezing? No, I'm just
Wheezy. Wheezy
It's not
Chase,
easy
baby.
being wheezy. Found another piece that I've got to paint. Vents, the heater vents in the dash. They were kind of looking kind of crusty. They were yellow looking. And now Russell's over here.
Fabricating foam.
Yeah.
Foam. Bulky now. I got it in
you
there
got-
bulky, and now I'm gonna shape it to fit now that it's in there.
Oh.
I just needed it to get to fit here.
Is it pretty, it sticks pretty quick?
Oh yeah. You spray it on, let it tack, and so you wait probably a minute or two and then stick it up there. If you do it right away, it'll never stick.
Really? So
Yeah.
you gotta let it get tacky.
Yeah, let it get tacky and then stick it up there.
That sucker's on there, isn't it?
Hey bro,
Whoa! Crap is 33.36 for some spray.
it's because of those red letters.
That costs more?
Yeah. 3M cornered the market on everything.
I saw some.
It
but
works good.
That other stuff I saw, I don't know, it was
But look, that's nice.
that other stuff at O'Reilly's was Bulldog or something,
Yeah.
and it was still $30-something.
Yeah.
Ah, you cleaned it out.
Clear the chute.
Yeah, man.
Save this. That's why I said I had some at home.
I was wondering why you said that. It's expensive. Are you gonna spray this? Make this tack?
Yes, I will. I wonder if it's supposed to be. I bet it is.
Oh, it's supposed to be like that?
I don't know. We're gonna make it sticky again. We're gonna clean out that loose stuff, glue it back. After I shape this one up, yeah, buddy, I
Oh.
like it.
What are you doing? Oh, you're just gonna attach that.
Yeah, I'm not real sure where it goes. Some
So you
upholstery
just-
guy trying for me right now.
So we've been installing the seat cover. We forgot to record most of it, installing the cover, but I think it's gonna look very good. We put a 1-inch foam pad underneath it. We went down to Frankie's, what is it? What's his business?
Just Frankie's Upholstery.
Yeah, Frankie's Upholstery here in Palestine, and he hooked us up. He got us a 1-inch foam pad. He said it's not the right way to do it, but a whole brand new seat for this is a seat cushion is like 250 bucks. And to a real upholstery guy, that's not the right way to do it, but it's gonna do a great job for this truck for a long time. Because it added just a little bit extra foam on top of this. This wasn't real bad actually, you know, this foam pad. There was a couple spots that Russell fixed, and then we put that 1-inch foam pad, and it's gonna be nice. You'll see.
You'll see.
You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Going in the truck next. Look at that.
Ooh, you got a steamer, don't you?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, steam it.
But it looks pretty good. I want to see what it looks like in there.
Whoa.
Yeah, boy.
Sit in that sucker.
Sit in there. Hot dog, hot dog. If the square body seat went back this far,
It'd be awesome.
It'd be a much more comfortable, because like for me, I'm up here, man, because by the time you put the
Yeah.
back on here, like I'm like this. But if I could be like that, oh, the square body would be a lot better.
Well,
fit.
I mean, I'm sure that you can do that.
You could. You definitely could. It's nice though.
Is
It looks
nice?
good.
Let me get up in this sucker.
Yeah, get up in there. Sitting up in my room.
Yeah, that's so nice.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. It's new.
This is nice.
No, I just keep it good and clean. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. It does look great. Let's stick that back one on.
What? Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, so how do you get this on here?
We're gonna turn this inside out and then stand the seat up and then feed it on there. So it'll kind of roll on like a rubber, basically.
Ah. Oh, like a rubber.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
Yeah.
I'm thinking more like a sock.
Well, that's what came to my mind first. Sorry.
All right, let's put this rubber on. We've been in here admiring this interior.
It looks good.
It does look great. I like this sticker. It says something about accident.
Accidente.
Man, this is a cool truck.
Yeah, it looks great, man.